My name's Adrian Kane, and I'm a Manx Gaelic speaker from the Isle of Man. So and I have a relatively good knowledge of Irish, and I'd come across similar other courses which been produced before on literature and poetry, which I thought were fantastic, really. So it seemed the obvious thing to try and do this, which is a real challenge. But the thing I really loved about it is this chunk size bits every couple of days where you had a chapter overview of the chapter, lots of vocabulary, and then obviously the sound file, which is brilliant. So you could listen along to the each short chapter. So it is, for me, someone who sort of used to speak quite a bit of Irish, just getting back into it. It was brilliant, just tuning my ear in. But also, I really loved the cultural stuff, really, the cultural background, where the story was based, some of the even more bizarre vocabulary, different types of bog and stuff like that, which I found really interesting. And yeah, I love to learn more about that. So for someone not in Ireland but who has a good knowledge of Irish, it was a bit of a revelation, really, and it sort of re-engaged myself with Irish. It's made me think a lot about the culture and identity stuff, and it's made me want to continue learning Irish. And I hope there are more courses like this because it was brilliant.